Have you ever wondered how veterinarians figure out the right medicine dosage for animals? It's all about weight, and decimals make it precise. Today, Chelsea the turtle and Tux the penguin are learning how decimals help measure and compare weights.
This crab weighs 2.5 kilograms, 2 whole kilograms and some extra. How much is the extra?
Good question. Let's use the number line. 2.5 is halfway between 2 and 3, so the extra is 0.5 or half a kilogram.
Decimals show parts of whole numbers. Here, 2.5 means 2 kilograms plus 0.5 of another kilogram.
Got it. Decimals give us exact weights, even when they aren't whole numbers. This sea turtle weighs 1.25 kilograms, and this penguin weighs 4.4 kilograms. Which one needs more medicine?
Start with the whole numbers, 1 versus 4. Since 4 is bigger, the penguin weighs more.
What if the whole numbers are the same?
Then compare the decimal places, tens first, then hundreds if needed. The penguin is heaviest because it starts with 4. Between the sea turtle and crab, compare 0.25 and 0.8. Since 0.25 is smaller, the sea turtle is lightest.
Order: sea turtle 1.25 kilograms, crab 1.8 kilograms, penguin 4.4 kilograms.
Decimals on a number line make ordering easy.
Order these from lightest to heaviest.
Answer: 3.05, 3.25 and 3.5 kilograms.
I'm a decimal expert now. Thanks, Tux, and thank you for learning with us.